I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so the power control path exists. First, confirm the TV exposes HDMI-CC, often called Ethernet+, Bravia Sync, Simplink, and that Chromecast is directly connected. Once done, update the Chromecast OS and Google Home app and install fresh batteries in the remote so pairing and commands aren't interrupted. Next, open Google Home and locate the Chromecast device. Make sure it reports online. These immediate steps create the required control channel before you configure remote power behavior. You now configure the middle steps that make the remote power the TV. First, enable HDMI-CC in the TV menu and set any auto power or ARC behaviors to allow external devices control. Then, in Google Home, open the Chromecast device settings, choose TV controls, and enable power control so the Chromecast can send on/off commands. After that, pair or rebind the Chromecast remote using the remote settings in Google Home. Follow the on-screen pairing prompts until the remote reports connected. This links remote presses to TV power events. You finish by testing and completing the setup. Press the remote power button and watch the TV for a shutdown or wake within a few seconds. If it works, try a few quick toggles and volume controls to ensure stability. If the TV doesn't respond, repair the remote, power cycle the TV and Chromecast, and toggle HDMI-CC off and back on, then retest. One key troubleshooting tip: if commands are inconsistent, try a full remote rebind and disable conflicting Smart IR devices that might intercept power signals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.